What's up, guys? It's Mickey. It's Monday. I got the day off. Figured we'd go for a ride. Go check out Bolsa Chica wetlands. It's one of my favorite places to go here in Southern California. Probably stop and get some lunch, and I figured I'd just film and take you guys with me. Let's check it out. I just figured I'd bring the camera along, and you guys are bored at home, just check it out. I figured just bring the... So, it's Mickey. What's up, guys? It's Mickey. I'm just gonna... It's Monday. And it's Monday, I got the day off, and I just figured I'd just bust out the GoPro and just fucking take you guys with me, I guess. It's Monday. I got the day off, it's Monday. It's 72 outside, beautiful. Just go for a cruise. Figured I'd take the camera with me. Got the bike all detailed. Let's go have lunch, go to check out Bolsa Chica wetlands. It's my favorite place here in Southern California. Go check out Bolsa Chica wetlands, it's over here. Fucking. What's up, guys? It's Monday, I got the day off. Let's go for a cruise. Take you to one of my favorite spots I like to go to here in Southern California. Get a bite to eat. Let's go. That's crazy. It's like dinosaurs. All right, let me park this bike. Let's go take a closer look. So this is Bolsa Chica wetlands. I come here almost every weekend. It's like my place to just unwind. It's close to home. There's a shitload of pelicans out today. It's usually hit or miss. Hello. There's cranes. I think that's a crane. Or a stork. Looks like the Everglades. Islands of Refuge. The sign says Bolsa Chica Wetlands Wildlife Habitat Area. Enjoy from a distance. Help protect wildlife. Please respect boundary fences. I think this is like a nesting ground for some of the birds. So this is pretty cool. Treks across the sky. Most shorebirds, waterfowl, and terns you see at Bolsa Chica are globe-trotting animals that migrate each year. When the weather changes in the fall, these birds begin their journey southward from northern breeding and feeding grounds to warmer wintering sites, following the Pacific Flyway. Oh wow. They migrate thousands of miles from as far north as Canada and Alaska to as far south as Patagonia. That's gnarly. Oh yeah, here. All the way from Alaska. They're right here. I guess they stop here. It's like a pit stop. And they keep going. Wow. I lived here my whole life. And I just found this place like last year, and it's 15 minutes from home. When I quit drinking 3 years ago, got another bike again. You know, I was like just cruising along and I found it on accident. I'll talk more about that some other time. I used to drink 1.7 liters of whiskey every other day for 16 years. What a waste of life. Now my liver's paying for it. Anyways, we'll talk about that some other time. Oh yeah, this is a man's bench. That's a cool bench. Oh yeah. Ugh, it's comfortable. I should have made a sandwich. I could have ate a sandwich right here. That would have been way better than going to Woody's Diner. I have really bad anxiety, like crippling anxiety. When I come here, like 50% of it goes away. My anxiety is so bad. Like I just found out I have cervical stenosis because my hands are getting all tingly and vibrating, like just feeling weird. Like if you ever hit your elbow, you know, the funny bone, that vibrating feeling, it's like constantly in my hand. So I went and had an MRI and then spoke to a spine surgeon. He's telling me about it, and I was like, started Googling symptoms of like what could happen if it got worse, and then it says like you could end up in a wheelchair someday, your legs will give out, because it is hitting my spinal cord. I was born with like a narrow spinal cord, and so they're gonna give me shots and all that later on, like in a week or so. Anyways, as soon as I read those symptoms, like the next day I got up and I was walking and I felt like my legs are giving out. And then for a week, my arms, I couldn't even lift them. My legs are just like jello and everything. And then once I convinced myself it was just anxiety, like it just gradually went away. It's so bad. It's crazy how anxiety, like you just start thinking about something, your whole body just, you feel it right away. Anyways. What's up there, duck? Are you from Alaska? Are you from Canada, eh? So we'll go over to Woody's Diner, get some lunch. I'm getting hungry. You guys like my new master cylinder cover? Made by Thrasher Supply. And I think I got some bars and risers for Christmas. Hopefully, fingers crossed. All right, let's go over to Woody's Diner and get some lunch. All right, we're at Woody's Diner. Right here on PCH. got the whole back room by myself. Lunch specials. Chicken salad sandwich. That sounds good. $12.99.
Your moments ready?
We're gonna get the chicken salad sandwich.
And your side? It's like fries, onion rings, coleslaw, fruit, cottage cheese.
Fruit.
Gotcha.
Cool, thank you. She's nice. Old school radios. Love this place. I got married right across the street 15 years ago. Split up like a year later. That was really good. Pretty good. I like cranberries in it and walnuts. So good.